Everyone keeps asking the same question. Does Angular have a future? My answer is simple yes. But that's not what I am worried about. What I am actually worried about is the future of Angular developers. And by the end of this video, I want to give you a completely different way to think about Angular, AI, and your career. Let's start with Angular itself. I have been working in software development for over 12 years, and I don't see Angular disappearing anytime. Large companies have invested heavily in Angular applications, and Angular continues to evolve with features like standalone components, signals, and ongoing performance improvements. So when people ask me whether Angular will survive, my answer is usually, I am not worried about the Angular. I am worried about is Angular developers who build their entire career around a single framework. As an engineering manager, I have interviewed many developers over the years. I have never rejected someone because they knew Angular instead of React. Never. But I have rejected candidates who couldn't explain their technical decisions, who didn't understand architecture, who struggled to solve problems beyond writing code. That's the real issue. And I think AI is going to expose this even more. Because AI can already generate components, it can write boilerplate code, it can explain framework APIs. So if your value comes only from knowing Angular syntax, the market is becoming more competitive. But if your value comes from solving problems, designing systems, improving performance, and making good technical decisions, AI actually makes you more powerful. That's why my prediction for the next few years is this. Angular will be fine, but Angular developers will split into two groups. One group will focus on framework knowledge. The other group will combine Angular with architecture, AI, communication, and business understanding. And the opportunity gap between these two groups will become huge. So if there is one takeaway I want you to remember from this video, it's this. Stop asking whether the Angular has a future. Start asking whether your skills are bigger than Angular. Because frameworks will change, tools will change, technology will change. But developers who can solve real problems will always be valuable. And that's the future I would prepare for. Do you agree? Will Angular still be relevant in 2030, or do you think the industry is moving in a different direction? Let me know in the comments.